Hi traders. Okay, this is going to be a quick video about speed comparisons between standard MT4 indicators and our Pro Series tools. So let's do an experiment. I want to see how long it's going to take me to change the trigger levels, the RSI trigger levels for this standard MT4 indicator here. And I've got a stopwatch, which I'll start in a second. And I'm going to fast forward the video just to save you the pain of watching this, but this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to edit the external input parameters, and I'm just going to change the upper trigger level to 80 and the lower trigger level to 20 on 10 charts. So let's see how long that takes. Let's go. Okay, right, so on the stopwatch we are looking at 2 minutes 18 or so. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to load our RSI Alert Plus Pro Series tool by changing profiles. So when I click this profiles, this RSI Alert Plus profile, I've pre-configured the same 10 charts but with our Pro Series tool loaded. You can see each chart has got the upper and lower trigger level represented at 80 and 20 pretty much across the board. And the way I control these charts is by using a Java interface, which we can see here. And at the moment the interface is synchronized to the Euro US dollar hourly chart, which we can see here. So if I wanted to make a change to this chart, let's reset the stopwatch and I'll show you how we can do that. So let's start the stopwatch and we're on the Euro dollar chart. And let's say we want to change the RSI upper trigger level to 90 and the lower one to 10. You've just seen those change. And we want to make the line width thicker for both the upper and lower trigger levels, with the lower trigger level being particularly thick. And let's change that, save that profile. This is a Java FX Pro Series profile. We'll save that as 9010. And if I click copy profile to all timeframes on all charts, and then when I close the interface and then just go to each chart, you should see that upper and lower trigger level is changed to 90 and 10, and the line widths have been changed as well. So we did that in 52 seconds, and I was doing quite a lot of talking and taking my time. So we've beaten a standard approach, standard indicator approach, hands down. I mean, it took 2 minutes 16 seconds to change 10 levels using a standard MT4 indicator. A Pro Series tool, you can do it in, well, we did it in 52 seconds there. I'm going to show you another way of doing it, which is even quicker, and what I've got is another profile which will show you our new RSI Universal product, hopefully. First of all, let me explain what you're looking at. So you're looking at a single MT4 chart with 10 assets, and we're looking at the RSI values across all MT4 chart timeframes, so M1 through to MN1. We've got an alert control interface here, and I've done this before, but I will delete all these alerts and I'll show you, and we'll do the same thing again in the spirit of fairness. I've got a stopwatch here, and what I'm going to do is I want to have trigger level alerts when RSI is above 90 and below 10. We're just going to do it on the H1 time frame, so which was exactly what we're doing before. So let's start the stop. We'll reset the stopwatch and start again. So all I do is I click the asset I want to select. I want alert control to be greater than 90, and the start date to be, we'll just do today and tomorrow, and I'm going to use alerts on all those channels, so Java, push, email, MT4 pop-up. I'm going to mirror that alert, which creates the less than 10 automatically. Then all I've got to do is do exactly the same thing on all the pairs in the visible display. 2 more to do, and how are we getting on? That's done. So 50 seconds. So here's the maths, folks. Time to change 2 external input parameters on 10 charts using standard MT4 indicators or a standard MT4 indicator, 135 seconds. Time to change 4 external input parameters on 10 charts using Pro Series indicators, 52 seconds. I say 4 external input parameters because we changed 2 trigger levels and the line widths as well. If we had to do 4 external input parameters in a standard MT4 indicator, it may have taken a lot longer than 135 seconds. So the Pro Series tool is 259% faster than the standard approach, and using this new product RSI Universal, where we just used a smart interface on one chart, 270% faster. And I'd say that's conservative. Go a lot quicker than that if we needed to. So there you go. That's the reason why we developed the Java-based approach, to allow traders a lot more power, speed, and just saves them a load of time faffing about trying to wade through massive scroll lists of external input parameters on, you know, tons of different charts. It's just a complete waste of time. It's archaic. So if you want to get with the times, then start using some smart interfaces for controlling your underlying MT4 indicators and expert advisors, and we've got a whole range of them on our website. So thank you for watching. If you've got any questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. info@fxalgotrader.com.